Hi, I'm Ken Rudman. I'm the CMO of Sohonet.
A croissant on La Croisette or a shot on a yacht?
Croissant on the Croisette.
A helicopter in or a helicopter out?
Helicopter out.
Triple pike or double somersault?
Triple pike with a twist.
Chilled rosé or chilled rosé?
Yes.
Morse the monster or Buster the dog?
Buster the dog, he's adorable.
Swan dive or belly flop?
Belly flop and a bow.
What's made a splash in your world this year?
Working with amazing storytellers all over the world and helping them do what they do with our technology.
And how is technology changing things for you?
Well, ultimately, we're kind of making the world smaller. We're making the dollar go farther, or the pound, I suppose, and really helping people do more with less.
What's going to be the biggest thing that you're looking forward to in 2019?
Spending more time with the advertising community and helping them do the things that we've been doing in the film and TV world for over 20 years.
And finally, what's your top tip for Cannes?
There's a fantastic local restaurant called La Brouette de Grand-Mère that I highly recommend. Make a reservation. We didn't.
Thank you.
Thank you.